Hi everyone, Stephen Douglas. I want to talk to you about teeth whitening costs today. With the knowledge you now have that the optimum amount of bleach required to consistently get great results with a new patient is around 10 to 12 grams of bleach and should last 2 to 3 weeks. Now, the cost of a full whitening kit to a dental practice in Australia is around $60 to $100 depending on the volume, but it should include everything. What is important is to provide your patient with real value, so it should include a kit, bag, toothpaste, etc. And of course, high quality whitening trays. I'll talk about those in my next video. I think it's important for you to build a perception of value with your patients. Handing over a few syringes to a new patient is not really going to do that. Of course, for existing patients who have whitened before, a box of 2 syringes or 6 grams of bleach is about perfect. You see, whitening is the tip of your cosmetic treatment funnel, so let's get it right. Now the tricky one, what should you sell at? Well, the average Australian price for a first time treatment, take home of course, we don't bother with in-chair unless the patient demands it. Prices range from around $175 to $450. My studies, the average and a fair price to charge is around $300, $350. Obviously this varies across all states and local communities, and you should have to give consideration to the local demographic, other practice prices and your own cost models, etc. However, it should be of value to you and reflect your time. What is really important is that with an assessment, oral health check, diagnosis, the chair time should be no more than around 30 minutes, even allowing for taking a set of impressions. Now your costs, including a kit and lab-made trays, should be no more than $150 per patient. Depending on your sell price, teeth whitening should be a very profitable cosmetic treatment, around $400 per hour. And this does not include future top-ups or loyalty programs you might introduce going forward. Anyway, I hope for now that helps. Whitening is vital to your practice growth, so don't underestimate it. And remember, whiten like a boss.